Alright fellas, air tractor is up and running. Straightened out the nose best I could. I added carbon fiber here, there, and a strip on the bottom so my nose shouldn't crumple fucking ever. So we'll see how she does. Take off left, safe is on. Flight control check. Alright, man. We are good to go. Something's wrong. Just want to bring it in, that's all. Fuck! What is the fucking problem here, man? Holy hell. Landing gear I'm not worried about. I can fucking fix that shit. What is this rattle trap problem? Oh. Yeah, well. Okay. That'll do it. Okay, motor shaft isn't bent. How odd is that? Well, hopefully that we didn't rattle anything loose. Good strong nose. If you had a pair of pliers, oh, straps are over there. Okay, stand by.